Hey Team V, we are getting ready to do our garden. We are getting all our soil today. We're so excited. Yay! Come join us. Hey Team V, we have our garden soil here. So it's full of different nutrients that the plants are going to need to survive and grow healthy and strong. So you don't always have to get special dirt, but this year we did. We're gonna have the best garden out there. Let's see how it grows. Hey Leo, what are we doing?
Gardening.
We're gardening. What do you want to plant in that square?
Pickles.
Pickles. And what are pickles made from?
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers. Friends, today we are going to be planting in our garden and we are going to divide it into squares. This is called square foot gardening. And in one square, we're allowed to put 2 seeds. So 2 cucumber holes. So Leo, put a hole here with your finger.
Oh, this is easy.
Poke it in.
Farmers do this a
Yeah.
lot.
And then poke a hole there. Yeah.
Have to go a little bit farther in.
All right.
Right here?
Yeah.
There.
Perfect. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 seeds in each to make sure we get a cucumber plant. Okay friends, we found our cucumber seeds. This is what they look like. We have a lot, but we are only going to plant 2 seeds per hole. So 2 groups of 2, Leo. How many seeds do I need?
4.
4. Let's do it. Okay, we have 4 cucumber seeds. Leo is going to put 2 in each hole.
All right.
Oh, careful. There, we got 2 in there.
1 and 1 more.
Okay, so now you're just going to brush the soil over top. Can you do that? So can you just lightly cover it? Not too deep. That's it. And we're going to put some water and a marker that says cucumbers and then watch them grow. Okay friends, next we have prepared this bed for onions, and onion seeds look like this. So they're small and they're black. And we're gonna put 2 tiny little onion seeds in each of the 9 holes. Okay, I have 18 onion seeds in my hands. So 2 groups of 9 equals 18. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. Or you could say 9 doubled equals 18. Or you could say 9 times 2 equals 18. We are gonna put 2 in each of those holes. All right, kiddos, we are now planting some carrots, and we are going to plant 16 carrots, and that is 4 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. By 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes 16. And this is what carrot seeds look like. So we're gonna put 2 times 16. It's very challenging. That's actually 32 seeds. So I've put all my carrot seeds in, and I'm just gonna brush the dirt on top, then let it grow. These are my absolute favorite, Team V. We are going to plant some pumpkins. So I've made a little mound, and I'm gonna put just one hole. I'm gonna put 2 seeds in there to make sure I get 1 plant. And once I get a sprout, if I get 2 sprouts, I'm gonna pull 1 out. I'm gonna pull out the smaller one. And I can either move it to a different part of my garden, or I can get rid of it altogether, because 2 won't grow well together. So Team V, we have planted the garden. This year we are doing something called square foot gardening, which means we measure out a square and we place the seeds inside the dirt and then we mark it. So here we have spinach growing. I'm going to have some zucchini here. These mounds are good for pumpkins. I have 2 groups of carrots, some onions. I have lots of lettuce planted here and here. And if we go up our pathway, here we have a whole group of radishes, some beets, more lettuce, and these are going to stabilize our green beans. And here we have some parsnip, more spinach. We really love spinach. This is hopefully going to be some corn. And this is where we're planting our peas. Over here we have a blueberry bush. These are going to be our raspberry bushes as well. We also grow some herbs. Here's some sage. This one is oregano, thyme, marjoram, and here are some chives. So we will see how it all turns out.